Hi, I'm Lauren.
And I'm Liv.
And we're from Pickle Illustration, and we designed Spring on Stage for Chester's Spring Blooms. So our sculpture, Spring on Stage, was inspired by the amazing colours and patterns that are naturally seen within bugs. We discovered that such amazing colours were in nature, and we also really love using colour in our work. So we found a natural kind of fit for that. So we're inspired by that, and then we built it into illustration. We played around with different colors, different shapes to create a kind of big burst of color. And we thought this really went with the spring theme as well, just to be a big explosion of color and life, and also make things that should be quite small, like bugs, and make them on a big scale to just add a bit of dynamism and a bit of interest.
The actual structure itself is made up of about 20 cubes made up of wooden structures with these illustrated letters and shapes and like bugs on top. And we also, throughout our residency, we were really passionate about trying to make it sustainable and things like that. So we've tried to use sustainable wood and paints that were left over where we can. And also we found it really like a good challenge to try and be able to fit the whole structure in a car. So it was like minimal travel around, which we managed to do, which is great. And it's just a great like backdrop for any performances, really, and a burst of colour next to the background of Chester Cathedral. So we're really passionate about spreading joy and like bringing communities together and connecting people, really. So we were very keen and motivated by the idea of creating like a stage kind of backdrop to kind of gather people together and create like a hub where things can take place and inspire people, and just have like a cool funky background for these connected communities.